Hey Keith, my name is McKinley. You spoke to my associate Colleen on the phone. I just wanted to get this short video over to you showing you how you can outrank your competition online and get more leads and more customers. So starting out, I really like your website's color scheme, but scrolling down I can see you don't have a whole lot of content. I put it into a word counter right before this and you have about 100 words, and Google actually likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage. They read all the words on your site, and that's how they determine what topics you're relevant to and therefore what to rank you for. You can also get your keywords in there as well, and keywords are just the phrases that people are typing into the Google search bar most frequently. So I wanted to show you this right here. This is called the Google Map Pack, or GMB. It's the first thing anyone sees when they're searching for something online. Almost no one ever clicks on view all, so it's super important to be in this top 3 right here. And you can do that by having more good reviews than any of your competition, and also by having more citations than them as well. A citation is anytime your business's name, address, and phone number are listed on the web. So I plugged your site into a tool I use called Ahrefs. It gives me a better idea of the back end of your site. And right here you can see you have 23 pages referring back to you and 277 backlinks overall. A backlink is anytime there's a link on another site and when people click on it, it takes them to your site. You do want to have as many as you can possibly get. However, not all backlinks are created equal, and it's really important that you mainly just go after high quality backlinks that are viewed as trusted by Google so that they'll view you as trustworthy. And if you're considered relevant to what you do through your content and your keywords, and then you're considered trustworthy in addition to that, Google is going to see that you bring value to the people that are looking for what you do. And if they think you're valuable, they're going to want to put you in front of as many people as possible. So you can see right here, your site is currently getting about 92 clicks of organic traffic every single month. And right here, you can see you're in the top 100 pages of Google for 206 keywords, which is pretty good, actually. But if we take a better look at them and organize them by your position on the page, you can see that you are in the first position for a couple of these lower volume ones, which is bringing you some traffic, but the ones that we'd really want to focus on and target are the higher volume ones like Auto Detailing Eugene, which gets 200 searches a month, and Auto Detailing Eugene, Oregon, which gets 150 searches a month, and this one down here that gets 250. Because typically, if you're in the first position, you're getting about 1/3 of the total volume as traffic to your site. Let me show you what that would look like. So this is actually your number one competition for the highest volume keyword. And scrolling down, you can actually see he has less content than you. So if we were to put the optimal 1,500 or to 2,000 on your page, that would just easily blow him out of the water content-wise. But I put him into the same tool as well. And you can see he has 33 pages referring back to him and 372 backlinks overall. So what we would want to do is go into his links and find the higher quality ones and replicate those in addition to finding even more high quality ones that he doesn't have. So you can see right here he's in the top 100 pages of Google for 253 keywords. And if we go into those and organize them by position as well, he is ranking number 1 for this higher volume, and I just wanted to show you that he's getting 87 traffic from that, which is almost exactly 1/3. And then see, this is a repeat, so it's showing like a lower traffic because it's the same word, but like 20 and being in the first position, or sorry, not 20, 200 searches and then 69 traffic to his site, that's just over 1/3, and it's pretty consistent all the way down. But being in the first position for so many keywords is bringing him a total of 386 clicks of traffic to his site every single month. If we were to outrank him for those same keywords, that would bring you 4 times the traffic you're getting right now every single month. And what would that do for you and your business? So on that note, I will leave you. Once again, my name is McKinley. This is my phone number and my email. Feel free to contact me at any time. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have, go over your vision for the future for your business, and I will be in touch with you as well. So thank you. Have a good night.